Hey guys, it's your boy Zannyboy. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be showing you how to make a YouTube channel. So if you, I searched this on several videos. People kept asking how to make a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna be teaching you. If you want to make a house tour or something, you you check some videos. See if I like this video. Go on to YouTube and I go to my account. Go to your channel. The record button right there. Press that. Pick any of your videos like this. Like you can put music to it. You can put that. You can put the title, description, a lot of stuff. But if you want to do like gaming a video, like gaming, I suggest you should download AZ Recorder. I use that to make my videos. And yeah, that's how the screen records. So when you go on it, you press record, and then I'll give you a 3-second countdown. So, and then if you go to, but one other thing is you have to go to settings. If it says keep all my videos in private, I put that no. Keep all my subscription private, I put that no. Keep all my playlist private, no. So this is the end of how to make a YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. So bye.